Welcome to my channel Divyas Maths.
In today's video, we will be solving exercise problems from the chapter Polynomials. The first problem is find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. So we need to find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial and then we need to verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficients. So now let us find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. So to find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial, what will we do? We'll take this quadratic polynomial as p of x. P of x is equals to x square minus 2x minus 8. To find the zeros of the polynomial, we will put p of x is equals to 0. We will factorize this given polynomial. Right? How do we factorize? We will split the middle term. Yes, so we will multiply the constant and the coefficient of a x square, which is minus 8 is your first step. And then you will find all the possible factors for minus 8. That is 1 into minus 8, minus 1 into 8, 2 into minus 4 and then minus 2 into 4. Right? So if you multiply, you need to get minus 8. Yes, if you multiply, you need to get minus 8 and if you add them, you need to get the middle term which is minus 2. You need to get the middle term which is minus 2. So I will take this factor. So let us split the quadratic polynomial x square plus 2x minus 4x minus 8 is equals to 0. If you take from the first two terms, if you take x common, that is x plus 2, and from the next two terms, if you take minus 4 common, it will be x plus 2. Yes, x plus 2 and x plus 2 are common. X plus 2 and x minus 4 is equals to 0. So x plus 2 is equals to 0 and x minus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 2 and x is equals to 4. Yes, so x is equals to minus 2 and 4 are zeros of this given quadratic polynomial. And now we need to find the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. So now what did we get? X is equals to 4 and minus 2. Now we'll take first sum of zeros. So what is the quadratic polynomial which we have? X square minus 2x minus 8. So sum of zeros is equals to, what is sum of zeros? 4 plus of minus 2, right, which is 4 minus 2 is 2. So what is sum of zeros from here? Comparing this quadratic equation, what do you get? A is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2, c is equals to minus 8. So sum of zeros is equals to minus b by a. What is minus b? Minus b is your minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Right? So minus b by a. What is minus b here? Minus b is minus 2. So minus of minus 2 by a is 1, which is 2. So both are verified. Now we'll take product. Product of zeros. Product of zeros is 4 into minus 2, which is minus 8. So product of zeros is c by a. What is c by a? Constant by coefficient of x square. So what is constant? Constant is minus 8 and coefficient of x square is 1, which is minus 8. So even these both are verified, right? Therefore, hence verified. Now let us solve the other one. See, P of x is equals to, we can write this as 6x square minus 7x minus 3, right? So 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So comparing this equation, what is A? A is equals to 6, B is equals to minus 7, C is equals to minus 3. Okay. Now let us find first zeros. So how do you find the zeros? We'll multiply minus 3 and coefficient of x square, which is 6, that is minus 18, and we'll find all the possible factors for 18, right? That is 1 into minus 18, minus 1 into 18, 2 into minus 9, minus 2 into 9, 3 into minus 6, minus 3 into 6. So if you multiply, okay, if you multiply, you need to get minus 18, and if you add them, you need to get minus 7, which is your middle term. I will take this combination. Let us split the middle term. 6x square plus 2x minus 9x minus 3. Right? If we want to find the zeros of the polynomial, we will equate it to 0. Yes? So if from the first two terms, if you take 2x common, that will be 3x plus 1. So if you take minus 3 common, that will be 3x plus 1. Yes, equals to 0. 3x plus 1 and 3x plus 1 are common. So 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So 3x plus 1 is equals to 0 and 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 1 by 3 and x is equals to 3 by 2. Right? So 1 by 3 and 3 by 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Now let us find the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So minus 1 by 3 and 3 by 2 are zeros of the given polynomial. Right? Zeros of the given polynomial. Now let us find first sum of the zeros. What is sum of the zeros? That is 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus of 1 by 3. Right? Now let us take the LCM. It is 3, 9 minus 2, which is 7 by 6. Yes? What is sum of zeros? Sum of zeros is minus b by a. Correct? What is minus b by a? Minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Right? What is minus b here? Minus b is minus of minus 7 by a is 6, which is 7 by 6, which is verified. Right? Now let us find product of zeros. Product of zeros is 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. 3 will get cancelled. It is minus 1 by 2. Product of zeros is c by a. What is c? C is your constant term. Right? Constant by coefficient of x square. Right? So what is your constant term? Constant is your minus 3. Yes, minus 3 by a is 6. 6, right? 3 ones and 3 twos, which is minus 1 by 2. Even this is verified. Right? Therefore, hence verified. Now let us do one more. P of x is equals to 3x square minus x minus 4. We want to find the zeros of the given polynomial. So we will take P of x is equals to 0. Okay. P of x is equals to 0. So that will be 3x square minus x minus 4 is equals to 0. Now let us factorize this by splitting the middle term. So how do we factorize? That is minus 4 into 3, which is minus 12. Now we'll find all the possible factors for minus 12. That is 1 into minus 12, minus 1 into 12, 2 into minus 6, minus 2 into 6, 3 into minus 4, minus 3 into 4, right? So if you multiply, you need to get minus 12, and if you add them, you need to get the middle term, which is minus 1. So I'll take this combination. Okay, now let us split the middle term. 3x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 4 is equals to 0. So from the first two terms, let me take 3x common, x plus 1, and from the next two terms I'll take minus 4 common, which is x plus 1 is equals to 0. X plus 1 and x plus 1 are common. 3x minus 4 is remaining, which is equals to 0. So x plus 1 is equals to 0 and 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 4 by 3. So we can say minus 1 and 4 by 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Now we will find the relation between the coefficient and the zeros of the polynomial. So what is the polynomial they have given? P of x is equals to 3x square minus x minus 4. What are the zeros which we have got? X is equals to minus 1 and 4 by 3. First we will find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is equals to 4 by 3 plus of minus 1, which is minus 1, right? This will be 4 minus 3 by 3, which is 1 by 3, right? What is sum of zeros? Sum of zeros is b by a. Okay, so from this polynomial, what is a? A is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 1 and c is equals to minus 4, right? So what is minus b? Minus b is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So what is minus b? Minus b is minus 1. So minus of minus 1 by a is 3, which is 1 by 3 is verified. Now let us find product of zeros. Product of zeros is 4 by 3 into minus 1, which is minus 4 by 3, right? What is product of zeros? It is c by a, correct? What is c? C is your constant term by coefficient of x square. Yes, coefficient of x square, correct? So what is c here? C is minus 4 by a is 3, which is also verified. Okay, hence verified. So the next question is, we need to find the quadratic polynomial. So they have given the sum and the product of the zeros. Okay, so let us take sum of zeros is equals to 1 by 4 and product of zeros is equals to minus 1. So we need to find the quadratic polynomial. So we know that, right? So how do we find the quadratic polynomial? What is the formula? K of x square minus x of sum of zeros plus product of zeros, that is k of x square minus x of, what is sum of zeros? Sum of zeros is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus product of zeros is minus 1. So plus of minus 1 is, I'll directly take it as minus 1. Okay. K of, if you take an LCM, this will be 4x square minus x minus 4 by 4. Okay. Quadratic polynomial will be 4x square minus x minus 4. Clear? So in the same way, they have given sum of zeros is equals to root 2 and product of zeros is equals to 1 by 3. So we need to find the quadratic polynomial. right? What is it? K multiplied to x square minus x of sum of zeros plus product of zeros. So K of x square minus x of, what is sum of zeros? Sum of zeros is root 2. Root 2 plus, what is product of zeros? It is 1 by 3. Yes. So K of, let me take an LCM, that is 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 by 3. Therefore, quadratic polynomial will be 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. Clear? So, this is the last sum. So, sum of the zeros is equals to minus 1 by 4 and product of the zeros is equals to 1 by 4. So, quadratic polynomial, you will take it as k of x square minus x of sum of zeros plus product of zeros, right? Product of zeros. K of x square minus x of, what is sum of zeros? It is minus 1 by 4 plus what is product of zeros? It is 1 by 4. Yes. So, it is k of, when we take, so x square plus x by 4 plus 1 by 4. Okay. So, this will be, let me take the LCM, 4x square plus x plus 1 by 4. Therefore, the quadratic polynomial will be 4x square plus x plus 1. Okay. So, this is the next problem. We need to find the quadratic polynomial. They have given the zeros alpha and beta. So, alpha is equals to 2 and beta is equals to minus 1. So, what is a quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to k of x square minus x of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Yes. So, we need to find alpha plus beta and product of zeros, right? So, now let us find alpha plus beta. What is alpha? That is 2, plus of minus is minus, 2 minus 1 is 1, and alpha beta is 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Now, let us put in this formula k of x square minus x of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. K of x square minus x of alpha plus beta is 1 plus alpha beta is minus 2. So, minus 2, which is x square minus x minus 2. Okay. Therefore, x square minus x minus 2 is your quadratic polynomial. So, now let us take alpha is equals to root 3 and beta is equals to minus root 3. Okay. So, what is the quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to k of x square minus x of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta, right? Now, let us find alpha plus beta, that is root 3 minus root 3, which is 0. Yes, alpha beta is root 3 into minus root 3 is minus 3. Okay. Now, let us put in that formula k of x square minus x of 0, alpha plus beta is 0 plus of minus is minus 3. That is k of x square minus 3. Okay. Therefore, the quadratic polynomial is x square minus 3. Clear? So this will be the last problem of this kind. Alpha is equals to 1 by 2 and beta is equals to 3 by 2. Now first let us do alpha plus beta, that is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, which is 4 by 2 is 2, right? 2 ones, 2 twos. Next alpha beta is 1 by 2 into 3 by 2, which is 3 by 4. Yes. So quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is equals to k of x square minus x of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. That is k of x square minus x of alpha plus beta is 2 plus 3 by 4, which is k of x square minus 2x plus 3 by 4. If you take an LCM, that will be 4x square minus 8x plus 3 divided by 4. So therefore the quadratic polynomial will be 4x square minus 8x plus 3. Clear? So the next problem is verify that 1, minus 1 and 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial and check the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Okay, now they have given the cubic polynomial. What is the cubic polynomial? P of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. So what are the zeros they have given? They have given P of 1, P of minus 1 and P of 3. So we need to see that if P of 1, P of minus 1, P of 3 are the zeros of this cubic polynomial. Now first let's see if they are the zeros of this cubic polynomial. Okay. Now first let us take for P of 1. So P of 1 is equals to 1 cube is 1 minus 3 of 1 square is 1 cube minus 3 of 1 square minus 1 plus 3. That will be 1 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3. Okay, that is 0, right? Yes. So P of 1 we have got 0. Now let us take it for P of minus 1. P of minus 1 will be minus 1 whole cube minus 3 of minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 and plus 3. That will be minus 1 whole cube is minus 1, minus 3 of minus 1 whole square is 3 only, minus of minus is plus 1 and plus 3. Even this is 0, right? P of minus 1. See, minus and plus gets cancelled, right? P of minus 1 is also 0. Now let us take for P of 3. What is P of 3? P of 3 will be 3 whole cube minus 3 of 3 square minus 3 plus 3. So 3 cube will be 27 minus 3 of 9 minus 3 plus 3. Yes, 27 minus 27 minus 3 plus 3, even this is 0. Yes, so P of 3 is also 0. So we can say that P of 1, P of minus 1 and P of 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Now we will find the relation between the zeros and the coefficients. So what is the polynomial they have given? P of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. So this is the cubic polynomial they have given, right? So comparing with this with the general form, we will get a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 3, c is equals to minus 1 and d is equals to 3. How do we find the relation between the zeros and the coefficient? First we will find sum of zeros. What are the zeros? 1, minus 1 and 3 are zeros. So sum of zeros is equals to 1 minus 1 plus 3. That is 1 minus 1 plus 3 will be 3. Right? What is sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is alpha plus beta plus gamma? That is minus b by a. What is minus b by a? That is minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. What is minus b? What is minus coefficient of x square? That is minus of minus 3. Yes, by what is a, which is 1, which is 3 only. So verified, right? Sum of zeros is verified. Now let us do for the product of zeros. Product of zeros is 1 into minus 1 into 3, which is minus 3. Yes, product of zeros is alpha, beta, gamma. What is alpha, beta, gamma? Alpha, beta, gamma is minus d by a. What is minus d? Minus d is your minus constant by coefficient of x cube, because this is a cubic polynomial, right? So what is minus constant? Minus what is constant here? 3 by coefficient of x cube. What is x cube? Coefficient of x cube is 1, which is minus 3. So this is also verified. Now for cubic polynomial, we have one more relation, right? That is sum of the product of two zeros. That is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. So what are the zeros? 1, minus 1 and 3. Alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta is alpha into beta is minus 1 plus beta into gamma is plus of minus is minus 3 plus alpha into gamma. Alpha into gamma is 3 plus 3. Right? This will be minus 1. So, what is sum of product of two zeros? That is c by a. What is c? C is your coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. Yes, what is coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is minus 1 by 1, which is minus 1. Right? Even this is also verified. Correct? So hence verified.
In our next video, we will discuss few problems from the exercises.